video have everything which you want to know about Macau. So I started my journey from Hong Kong to Macau using this ferry which I booked from TurboZet. You can get the same thing on Klook, but I went for a better deal on their official website. So it was like book 3 tickets and get 2 free. Also, one heads up that if you are going with a kid less than 1 year, you don't need to book the tickets, because I did that and I don't want you to spend more money. So do not buy their tickets, it will be free. We went ahead with the immigration. The immigration was quite easy. Also take the metro route to reach the Macau immigration. And this was the ferry. The ferry was quite spacious and comfortable. I didn't feel scared. I am hydrophobic, but still I was very comfortable. And this is how it looks like. It was looking like a super jet. And I finally landed to Macau. This was their airport. This is quite small, but really clean and everything was good. So there was a dilemma on how to travel, because we were not sure about the Macau bus rides, and also the Macau roads are very narrow. So we booked this cab. It costed for rupees 11,000 INR, 11 or 12,000 INR, but this was booked for the entire day. So first we landed to this restaurant which is Indian Spice to have some good Indian food, and then we started our journey. This is the famous casino, the Lisoba Casino if I'm not wrong, and this is very beautiful. The city is really clean and the vibe was really good. It was our first destination and it is ruins of St. Paul's, and it's a church. It's a very old church. We went there for good pictures, and there was a huge crowd. Also it was very hot in summer. We went here in the month of July. The next destination was Ma Temple. You can see the roads. These are really narrow, so you cannot just go by the bus. You have to book something which can enter in these roads. And this was the temple. There was some FIFA competition going on here. Just clicked few pictures and kept moving. This casino was actually, I think, a center of everywhere, so I was able to see this casino from every time when I'm crossing anywhere to Macau. But I felt like choosing a cab was a right decision, because I was having a senior citizen and an infant, so I wanted to keep the trip really easy and calm, so I took this cab. Also, it was just 1 day journey, so if you're having good time with yourself, then you can try for buses, because buses are free here. The third destination is this one. This is Senado Square, where you can do some shopping. By the time I reached here, I was extremely exhausted. But after looking at the vibe, the aura, I felt good, and I purchased few stuffs from this. This is kind of a photogenic store. I wanted to try something different, some different foods, but I'm very much particular about my food choices, so I didn't eat anything. I just served and watched everything. Then again we went to our fourth destination, which was a mall, which is a Venice mall. The mall was absolutely stunning. I have to talk about the city, then the people out here are helpful, and it will not give you a Hong Kong vibe definitely, but it's a subtle city. Lots and lots of casino. One guide told me that